Hello guys, what's up? I'll go by the name East Coast Prince, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So guys, today we are doing a song by KSI, Knowledge, Strength and Integrity. And guys, KSI has been doing so much in the music scene. The YouTuber that was successful in YouTube, went into music, successful in music, went into boxing, successful in boxing. Anything that KSI does seems to hit that peak of success. And come on, KSI has been working hard in all areas and excelling in all these areas. And now he's back with another track, and this one is titled Don't Play. It features Annie-Marrie and Digital Farm Animals. Remember, Digital Farm Animals was in this last track, the one with Craig David, you know? Come on, guys. Without further ado, let's react to Don't Play by KSI featuring Annie-Marrie and Digital Farm Animals. Let's go.
The best of the best, East Coast Prince. I know it's better than the rest. East Coast Prince, the rapper no one contest. East Coast Prince.
Okay. Come on, bullies. I hate bullies, man.
Don't play
So Annie-Marrie was bullied by some girls.
games, don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently.
Apparently Annie-Marrie is now training as a boxer.
When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Okay.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently.
Okay.
When the hitting
Apparently KSI is a trainer. Imagine KSI training someone in boxing, man.
is deep, don't play.
That's KSI's move. We remember KSI's swinging move against Logan Paul in the second fight that he fought. That's his move. That rough swinging punches right there. So anyway, let's continue.
Don't play, yeah,
All
yeah.
that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Well, KSI just did an amazing verse, man. He did an amazing verse. And his voice was so nice on the track. Like, I like the tuned rap. Like, it's just, and the blending of his voice, the mixing was so nice. KSI's voice sounds good. Sounds really good on this one. Anyway, guys, let's go.
Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently.
She's no longer a bully right now. She's reminiscing on the past when she was being bullied.
When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Digital Farm Animals.
Don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game.
Okay, she's beating people now. Annie-Marrie is beating people now, man.
You're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh, now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Play,
Was that stars that the girl was singing right now? Was that stars?
Tell 'em good that you differently. When they hit in the street, don't play, don't play, play.
See stars. Let's go. Wow. Apparently, I like the song. I like the track. I love it. I love this one, man. I love this one. What's the KSI and fighting scenes in his music videos right now? Like the last one he showed us, he was fighting almost all through that one, and this one now is still fighting. Okay, this one is not the fighter, but he trained the fighter basically. He trained Annie-Marrie, and she came back and beats up those girls that bullied her in the beginning of the music video. And the title of the song says "Don't play with my heart." So if you come and play with my heart, better know that you're gonna get whooped. I think that's what the video is talking about. That if you try to play with my heart, you try to, use me for a joke, you're gonna get beat up by me eventually. So anyway, this is the end of my reaction to KSI's "Don't Play" featuring Annie-Marrie and Dita from Animals. Amazing song, man. The beats is very similar to Lighter's beat, but the song itself is very different. But anyway, I really love KSI's verse on this one. The whole tune rap was really nice. And guys, man, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next music video reaction. I remain your humble self, East Coast Prince. And with that being said, guys, peace.